Weather Service meteorologists detected severe thunderstorms located along the line extending from 4 miles southeast of Luther to 3 miles west of Spencer to 4 miles east of Mustang, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include $10
right
damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Midwest City, Del City, Choctaw, Spencer, Jones, Tacoma Park, Wellston, Luther, Warwick.
Prague and Sparks? Oh my gosh. The Shawnee tornado was right over here in this area, and now I got another tornado to the north.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 4 miles south of Sparks and moving east at 35 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Prague and Sparks. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.
You can't see much of a signature in the velocities.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, central Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma.
That's it, significant weather advisory, what the heck?
PM Central Daylight
That's up in...
At 3:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is something right there. Look at that velocity.
Thunderstorms located along the line extending from 4 miles